Bear Cub, what are you doing today?
We're gonna unbox this Lodge Sportsman Grill. I didn't say take about it.
Oh, that's the base. Or the bowl, fire bowl. Oh, nice little box there. You got the handle. Looks like the base. Is that the door? The charcoal door?
Yeah, I think so. Got a rack.
Charcoal rack. Looks like a little bag of screws. And the cook rack. All right. All right, so what are you doing?
I'll take this.
The fire bowl.
Put it over the base.
Sits on the base.
Then I'm gonna take this Phillips head.
It's a flathead.
Flathead, yeah.
All right.
Some of this. Put in the little hole.
All right.
And I'm gonna take this little guy.
The lock washer.
And put it under the bolt. And take this.
The nut. Yep.
And I'm gonna take this. Don't know the actual term for it.
The nut.
I'm gonna screw it on. Bust.
Coal grate. This side up. Sets in. The bottom. This is your charcoal door. Sits in these holes. Lodge out. So you can add more charcoal. The draft door slides in. And that's what you need air to your coals. You open it up, close it back.
And then we have this.
Yep, the cook rack
That goes just like that.
sits on top in the holes, the little feet.
It's this side up because it has a Lodge thing right there.
The feet go in the little pegs. The pegs go in the spot. Or you can flip it over if you want to get down and get a good sear on something, get close to the coals. You can do that. And then the bail handle. Bear Cub, go ahead.
Goes in the little hole.
Goes in the loops.
And then boom,
Pull them towards you,
chakalaka.
and there it is.
Boom chakalaka.
All right, Cub. What do you think?
It looks cool.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
One thing I noticed is when I picked it up, it leans forward. So I switched the handle, and it didn't make no difference. Take the door off, draft door off. Now when you pick it up, it's level. Just FYI. Just gonna season this up real quick. We're just gonna take some extra virgin olive oil, give it this little spray, kind of just a little bit. Take a paper towel and just rub it in. for size reference, there's a regular 10-inch skillet. Fits on there. Because of the little grooves in the front and the back, it's not quite flat. I mean, if you set it in the middle, it would be flat. Here's a little 8-inch skillet. Fits perfect, so you'd be able to do eggs and stuff while you're doing meats or whatever. Pretty cool little deal. So if you're doing a Dutch oven, you can set it in the middle, still be able to cook. This is a 10-inch Dutch oven. Set it aside, do what you gotta do. Just a little size reference. Alright guys, that's my Lodge Sportsman's Grill unboxing and first cook, seasoning it. Did a pound of bacon, did a box of burgers. I got a pack of brats on now. Wife just got home from the store and she's got me 2 more packs of brats and 2 more packs of burgers. So I'm gonna be at this for a little while. This little thing is pretty fun. I'm really enjoying it. All right, everybody. Have an awesome week. Cheers.